My name is Bryan Goode. I lead the business applications and agents team at Microsoft. I started at Microsoft a long time ago, and I've been part of a lot of different things, but this is definitely the job that has been the most interesting. It's a really interesting time to be in the market around AI. I sometimes hear customers say, I feel like everybody else is ahead of me. Like, should I even bother at this point? And what I find is that that's not the case. It is true that folks are using AI more and more on a daily basis, but it's still early days in terms of overall AI transformation. We're just starting our journey on agents, as an example, which is a huge value unlock for our business customers. There's still so much room for transformation. It's really ripe for that. When we look at these frontier firms, which are these forward-leaning firms that put AI at the core, there's really three patterns that they're deploying. The first is they're giving every employee an AI assistant or a co-pilot, and that's transforming productivity for employees. The second kind of core pattern we've seen from these frontier firms is they're using agents to automate business process, and that helps them speed things up, oftentimes lower cost, and take away some of the drudgery of work. And then third is this idea of functional transformation, starting with the function, getting buy-in from a senior leader in that function, and then going after each of those business processes. Doing that in an iterative fashion is a complete game changer. That's really how you get business value from AI. Creating a culture where, people can share best practices or the new cool thing that they delivered, that's really the key here. It actually ends up being about culture more than anything else. And starting at a function before then you take it to other functions has been a proven way that we've seen this work both inside Microsoft as well as with many of our other customers. I think maybe the best time to get started was a year ago. The next best time to get started is right now. And so nobody should feel left behind. There's still a ton of opportunity out there.